Hello guys, good evening everyone. Have a great day to all and happy blessed Monday night here. Dito ako sa my frame. Ito yung frame dito sa Dubai guys. Ayan. Pwede mo makyat kaso taktak mo sa taas. Shout out everyone. Rose Donella Vlog here at Frame, Dubai Frame, here in Dubai. Shout out mga sisikon. Halina kayo dito sa part. Pagsayaw tayo dito sa part mga sisikon. Si Koy Laren, si Koy Nana ni YTC, si Koy Jobs in Hawaii, si Koy Mayetski Channel, si Koy Timbat Cave Batismuti, si Koy Agbiag Vlog at Conce. Mga si Koy Good Vibes, Maris. Mga Koy, halina kayo dito. Si Koy Susana G, shout out. Si Koy Ate JB Vlog, shout out. Catfitry Channel, shout out. TY Best, hello TY Best. DSNH Vlog, shout out. Sakoniko, shout out. Zavar Boy, shout out. M. Hassan Pasha, Namaste. Namaste ba yan? Here in, this is here. Behind me, the Dubai frame here. Because today still my holiday Eid here in Dubai, so I came by myself. My date this one, Dubai frame. Hello guys. Niels TV, shout out. Adding code sa Muhing TV, shout out. Jelay Channel, Sisi Pretty, Lady Tulip at Tulips, Love Travel Music, adding ko, Talpakits, adding ko. Shout out. Shout out to all of you guys. I'm here in Dubai frame. Behind me, this is Dubai frame here in Dubai. This one. This is a big park, guys. Now here, 7 p.m. at night. Pero maraming tao dito. Hindi nakakatakot kasi maski maglalakad ka mag-isa dito, safe na safe. Nasisikon. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys. Rose Donella Vlog here at Dubai Frame.